David Chytraeus de Ratione Discendi, episode 14. Finis enim studiorum et totius vitae humanae, ultimus esse debet, gloria Dei, seu vera agnitio et celebratio Dei, juxta doctrinam a Deo in libris prophetarum, et apostolorum patefactam, juxta dictum, omnia ad gloriam Dei facete, item apuero sacras litteras noveris. Now in fact, enim, or for, the end, the purpose of one's studies, et totius vitae humanae, and of all human life, that is, the finis ultimus, the final or ultimate goal of one's studies and of all human life, esse debet, ought to be the glory of God. The subject, then, of this portion is finis, which is masculine, singular, and nominative. It is the subject of debet. The predicate is gloria, that is with esse, and modifying finis is ultimus, which is the same gender, number, and case. Then we have a couple of genitive phrases here. Studiorum in the neuter, plural, and genitive, and totius vitae humanae in the feminine, singular, and genitive. So the final or the last end point of studies and of all human life ought to be God's glory. Gloria, then, is feminine singular nominative because it is the predicate of finis linked together by esse. Chytraeus then expands on his definition by saying, or it is the vera agnitio, the true acknowledging et celebratio and celebrating of God. So the true recognition and exaltation of God. Agnitio and celebratio are both third declension, feminine singular nominative, abstract nouns, and Dei is masculine singular and genitive, of course. And this is juxta doctrinam, according to or in keeping with the teaching from God in the books of the prophets and of the apostles, laid open, patefactam. So according to the teaching, the doctrinam, and doctrinam is feminine singular accusative, as the object of this preposition juxta, which takes the accusative, and doctrinam is modified by patefactam, which is the same gender, number, and case. This is the participle of the verb patefacere, which means to make open or to lay open. Laid open or revealed by God, ablative of agency, in the books of the prophets and apostles. And all of this is done, this laying open of the doctrine given by God, is done juxta dictum, according to the saying or according to the expression, in keeping with the expression. And I would like to say here that Chytraeus surprises me because this prepositional phrase, juxta doctrinam, is fine, but to repeat the preposition here, juxta, in the same sentence, juxta dictum, seems to me, or dictum, seems to me not very good style. According to the expression, omnia facete, do all things, omnia facete, for God's glory. Do all things for the glory of God, a biblical quotation. And likewise, from childhood, from being a mere boy, you have known, noveris, the sacred scriptures. This is Paul speaking to Timothy. Noveris is the second singular, perfect indicative active of the third conjugation verb, noscere.